A super quick update for my swing trade on the NASDAQ ETF. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. I hope that a lot of you guys ended today in the green. The NASDAQ market is up. We got TQQQ up a little bit over 6% today. So congratulations. I hope that you learned something new, and I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. I hope that you can consider dropping a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So one of the first things that I want to talk about is a question everyone is asking me right now, especially if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit 2.0 team. Is it time to buy more? Have you averaged up? Now, one of the things that I want to share with you is just because I do or do not do something does not mean that you need to copy what it is that I do or follow in my footsteps. I like to share my thought process and my reason why, but I know that I'm not right 100% of the time, so I need to make sure that you guys are aware of that. One thing I am waiting for confirmation on, right? Just like last time when we had TQQQ, which is the triple leveraged NASDAQ ETF, when it began to find its support and it began to indicate signs of a recovery. I don't know if you guys remember this. This was last week. A lot of people were like, oh my God, finally the market's going to recover. All I said, and you guys can literally go back to a week ago, I made a video and I said I would be very careful with averaging up too early. You see this blue line? This is the EMA line. Indicators tend to be a good thing to use as a reference, never as a sole reason on why to take a trade. But we've been trading below this EMA line ever since the NASDAQ market and the overall market began to sell off. So with that being said, every time that it sold off and it tried to recover, it would get rejected. Every time that it would try to recover, it would get rejected. It's great that we are seeing signs of a recovery, but I want to make you aware of the price point, at least with TQQQ, right around $65. If you're following the overall NASDAQ market, please take this into consideration. We are above the EMA line, but we were above the EMA line before as well. So again, indicators are to be used as a reference, never as a sole reason. I want to see if we surpass previous highs. We're at that 14,500 resistance level for the NASDAQ index. All I want to see is I want this NASDAQ market to make higher highs and higher lows. I want it to break above the moving average, and I want it to show indication of an uptrend. I don't want us to get super excited. It goes up a little bit, right? We're at that same resistance level, and right when we think that the market's going to continue to go up, it gets rejected. This is why I'm making this video, for you to be aware of specific price levels, not only with just the NASDAQ market, but even the S&P 500. We were getting rejected. We tried to show signs of a recovery. We're up above EMA. We pulled back. We're at that same price level. We have not made new highs. Now is the time to set alerts. Now is the time to be effective and to be in the lookout. Are we going to make higher highs, and are we one step closer to making a full recovery for the S&P 500, for the NASDAQ market, and for the Dow Jones? With that being said, we do not have that confirmation. So I would hate for you to get super excited, jump in super early before we get confirmation, and then it just gets rejected. So in reality, you bought actually at a resistance level, and then it sold right back off. So you bought at one of the highest price points right before it decided to pull on back. So please, all I wanted to do is make you aware of that specific price level and the same resistance level that we are approaching based off of the last time that we were at the same price point of 14,500 for the NASDAQ index. Even Facebook absolutely killed it today, 5% on the day. And again, Facebook has a lot of weight on the overall NASDAQ and tech market. So I'm super excited to buy into Facebook later down the road. I would hate to buy again, and then it just sells off, and then I end up having to cut losses again. Reminder, one of the sayings that we have within Learn Plan Profit 2.0 is trade less, profit more. Sometimes it's holding yourself back that can actually put you in a better position. There's nothing wrong with being conservative and waiting for confirmation and easing into that specific position. I hope that you guys can agree. And if you don't, again, I'm open-minded. I love sharing opinions. If you want to share your opinion and what you think will happen and what you're waiting for, comment that down below. I'm sure not only myself, but the other individuals watching this video can benefit from you sharing your 2 cents. Also, if you want to connect with other like-minded individuals, we do offer a free Discord group, and that's that first link in the description down below. Also, friendly reminder, if you want to watch me trade live every single day, that's exclusive to the Learn, Plan, Profit 2.0 team. They get access to over 70 exclusive videos, daily live trading sessions, being able to see me enter and exit my trades, and then 24/7 private group chat that's separate from the group chat that we previously talked about. That's free. This is an exclusive group chat just for the LPP 2.0 members. Also, we're giving away a custom digital storm PC plus $1,000 cash at shoptechbuds.com, and this giveaway ends in just over 2 weeks. So it's super easy to enter. For every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries, meaning that you can buy a Wall Street hoodie, a mouse pad, aluminum art, a flag, anything from the apparel selection, and or even just a profit journal. Imagine that, buying a profit journal and winning $1,000 cash plus a custom digital storm PC. It's as easy as one lucky entry to win our TechBud apparel giveaway. So again, all that information is down in the description. If I'm not mistaken, it's the 4th link down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. I'm super excited for the market to make higher highs, but I wanted to talk about the importance of setting alerts, waiting for confirmation, and why that's so important before getting too confident as we're approaching that same previous resistance level. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.